This traffic light is completely out of sync. We need to fix this before rush hour. Oh, the control circuit is fried. I can see the problem from here out. We need to replace the main cable. Right, let's get it done. I'll need to get up there. The access panel is about 15 feet up. Oh. Sang, steady yourself. Ready? Let's do this. Safety first. I'll secure the area while you prepare the equipment. Everyone staying clear. The area is secure for you to begin.
I need the replacement cable. The old one is too damaged to salvage.
Got it, boss. Here's the new one.
Perfect. Thank you, Sang.
Anytime, Gaga.
Steady now. I've got the ladder secure. Take your time with the connection. Almost there. Just need to secure these connections properly. You've got this, Gaga. Looking good up there. Ready to test it when you are. There we go. Power is restored. The red light is working perfectly. Yeah. All right, Gaga. Looks great. Perfect transition timing. The sequence is working exactly as programmed. Pedestrian signals are synchronized too. The entire system is back online. I'll clear the safety equipment. Traffic is back to normal now. Traffic is back to normal now. Another job well done. The city keeps moving thanks to proper maintenance. Final systems check complete. Everything is operating within specifications. Thanks for the quick fix, Gaga. You really saved the day here. Just doing my job. Teamwork makes it possible. Ready for the next one? There's always more work in a city this size. Always ready. Let's keep the city moving smoothly. I must act fast.
On a sunny day, Pop Pot was patrolling the city, ready to help.
Pot Pot quickly prepared his firefighting tools.
Stay calm, little fire. Oh! Yeah.
Slowly but surely, the fire was under control.
Pot Pot always checks to make sure everything is safe.
Safety first! Safety first! The city was safe once more!
Helping others is my favorite job.
With courage and care, Pop Pot keeps everyone safe. On a magical night, Gaga and Boocap were ready for a special adventure. Gaga, are you ready to explore the light park?
Wow! Wow! The light park looks amazing!
Wow!
Look at that! Incredible! It's so bright!
I feel like I'm inside a rainbow.
The lights danced as the cars moved forward.
Look! Light animals!
Wow! Look at that butterfly!
Let's go see them closer.
Hello, shiny butterfly! Hello!
water sparkled like a mirror of stars.
Every turn brought new wonders. On went Gladden, so beautiful and calm. Dance with me, Gaga. They danced under the glowing lights. This is the best night ever. Best ever.
Good adventures are even better with friends.
Goodbye, bye, Light Park. It is a beautiful day by the sea.
Hi, Boo Cap. The sea looks amazing today. They get ready for a fun adventure.
Let's go slowly first. Let's go slowly first. Oh! Whoa! Oh, Boo Cap is ready to surf.
I can do it! Do it!
Ah! They surf side by side. Whoa! 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 No, Romance! I'm okay! They take a short rest. It feels good to just float. Look, dolphins! Wow! Dolphins!
Let's surf one more time!
Yeah! Yes! They feel brave and happy.
Wow! The mountain is so white!
Wow! It looks like a snow cake. Let's explore! Don't forget your scarf!
The snow feels crunchy. Whoa! Crunch! Crunch!
The snow is cold.
Ah! It's winter magic!
That's winter magic. Whee!
Let's build a snowman! Yes! A big one!
Yay! Yay!
The mountain is beautiful.
Hey! So peaceful. Be careful, it's slippery. Oh, I'll walk slowly. Oops.
I've got you! Warm and yummy! Yay! Ah.
I love it. The snow is sparkling. Like diamonds. We climbed so high. I'm proud of us.
Quiet night on patrol. Everything seems peaceful. I see movement ahead. Let's check this out. They're speeding up. Initiating pursuit. Just a little fun, officer. Try to keep up. Making the turn. protocol! Narrow passage. Need to proceed with caution. Getting a bit tight back here. Maybe I should have taken a wider route. You're not going anywhere, Lolo. Consider yourself cornered. Whoa! Cutting me off. Almost lost it there. Downhill section. Maintaining control while pursuing. Bridge ahead. Nowhere to hide here. Starting to worry. Pull over, Lolo. It's not worth it. Exiting bridge. Maintaining pursuit course. Those flashing lights, they're searching everywhere. Maybe I should just come out. Well, then, that's it then. Guess the fun's over. Approaching now. Time for a conversation about road safety. Okay, I know I was being reckless. My mistake.
Then, the rules are for everyone's safety. Speeding and evasion put others at risk. Let's make sure this doesn't happen again.
I understand. I'll follow the rules from now on.
Tonight, this street is our stage. Let's show them what we've got.
Feel that rhythm in your bones. Let it move you.
This beat is calling me. Time to answer.
Yeah! Let's get this party started. Make some noise.
Watch this. Pop, lock, and drop it.
Cool beans, sang!
Like this? I'm just warming up.
Mirror, mirror on the street. Mirror, mirror on the street, indeed. And that freeze. Right on the drum. The ring is yours, Sang. Show 'em what you're made of. I'll hype you up.
That's my partner. Look at those moves. Give it up for Sang. Wait for it, and no, oh, let's go. Together now. Let's give them a show they won't forget. This is what it's all about. Dancing under the city lights with my crew. Faster. Keep up with the beat. Don't let it drop. When I say hip, you say hop. H-I-P, H-O-P. Again. H-I-P, H-O-P. Louder.
Take the spotlight, Sang. This is your moment. We're all watching.
The desert awaits. Perfect day for an adventure. Hey, Boocap! Ready for some fun? Great to see you out here, Loi Loi. Likewise, Boocap. Wow! The desert is perfect for racing. Orange day, da! Yes! Let's have a fun race!
Let's line up here. Ready when you are. Ready. Go.
Woohoo! Here we go!
Watch this little move.
That was awesome!
Not so fast. Here I come. Careful through the cacti.
Watch the spacing!
Nice work!
Thanks, you too!
Ah! What a view! Let's take a moment.
Racing together is so fun!
This is the best part! Yeah, the best! Let's do a victory spin! Oh! Whee! What a perfect end to our race. Best desert race ever! It is an exciting day at the horse racing arena. Wow! This place is huge! This place is huge! The race is about to begin!
Ready, Boocap?
Let's do this, Loi Loi! Go! Here I come! They are very close. Hello, everyone! This is fun!
Come on, Bootcamp, we can do it! Gotta catch up!
You're fast, Loi Loi! Safety comes first! Almost there! Almost there! It's a tie!
Racing together is the best!
They had a fun and friendly race at the horse arena. It is a calm day in the forest.
What is that smell?
Loi Loi sees something dangerous.
Oh no! The forest is on fire!
I know! Ah! Oh, I need help right now.
Pot! Please come! There is a fire in the forest! God!
I'm on my way. Yeah!
Pot rushes to help! Thank you for calling me, Loi Loi.
Pot is ready to fight the fire. The fire is getting weaker.
You saved the forest.
The forest is safe again.
call for help when you see fire. Hello, police car! Ready for our patrol today? Almost, Boo Cap. Just waiting for final clearance. Beep, beep! Good morning, Boo Cap! All systems are go for patrol!
Let's go! The city looks so beautiful and peaceful today.
Safety first! Always stop for a red light, just like the rules say.
Green means go! Let's continue our patrol!
Good morning, everyone! Keeping the park safe and peaceful for all. The playground looks safe and fun. Everything is in order here.
It's a bit tight here. I'll keep a lookout on this side. Yeah!
Just letting everyone know we're here.
All clear? All clear! Everything is safe and quiet here.
Look at them go! The fountain is so pretty!
Picking up the pace. There's still more of the city to see.
The river is so shiny today. It looks like diamonds.
There it is, our city. It's our job to keep it safe and shining.
It's amazing. We're doing a great job protecting it. Hello, neighborhood. We're here, keeping everything nice and safe. Scanning the area. All readings are normal. A peaceful afternoon. The street is empty. Perfect for a friendly race. I'm ready. Hooray! Me too! Yeah, me too!
Ready, set, go, go!
I feel great.
Catch me! I'm coming!
Safety first, always. That was close, but safe.
The air feels fresh. I love this.
Tap, tap, tap. This hill is tough. Don't give up. We did it. Nice job, huh? Careful now. Slow and steady.
The street looks beautiful.
So colorful.
Almost there! There! Almost there! There! Oh! A tie! Ah! We both win!
So kind!
Wow! The dinosaur forest! Let's go inside!
The forest is so big and very beautiful.
Hello, little dinosaurs! They are dinosaurs! They are friendly!
Look at those fruits.
They look tasty! have an idea.
Let's collect them. Oh, great idea. Great idea.
These are sweet.
Gentle. Be gentle.
Hello! Nice to meet you! So many fruits!
Hey!
Amazing!
Apples and bananas.
Oh!
And nuts. And berries.
Clean first.
Oh, good habit. So yummy. Oh. Very fresh. Very fresh.
Let's share! Friends share! The basket is full! Yeah! Mission done! Mission done!
On a quiet and beautiful night, Sang was enjoying a peaceful drive through the city.
What a lovely night. I love driving under the stars.
I've never driven this way before. Yeah, but Sang didn't notice the danger ahead. Oh no! Ouch! I'm stuck!
Help! Is anyone there?
Luckily, a hero was nearby.
Wait! I hear someone.
Sang, don't worry, I'm here.
Gaga! I'm so glad to see you.
Stay calm. I have a plan.
We have a plan.
Friends always help each other. Ah!
And they made the road safe for everyone.
Toy. Oh, I learned something tonight. What's that?
Always be careful. And never drive alone at night.
With teamwork and kindness, every problem can be solved.
Loi Loi and Pop Pot are going to visit the dinosaur park.
Wow! Wow! Look at this place!
I love dinosaurs.
That dinosaur is so big!
It sure is.
Don't worry, it's friendly.
They see many dinosaur friends.
They have 3 horns.
Their necks are so long.
The park feels calm and peaceful.
This is fun. This is fun. Kids will love this place.
Roar! Roar! I'm a dinosaur.
Narrator, They discovered dinosaur fossils!
Narrator, what an amazing find!
Dinosaurs lived long ago!
Huh. Let's take a short break. This park is amazing. The baby dinosaurs are friendly.
What a great day!